Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assigning clear roles to each device: gateway, backbone nodes, and clients. Once done, verify firmware compatibility. Open WRT or a mesh-enabled build is often required. Make sure you back up any existing settings. This prevents data loss if you need to revert. Next, physical placement matters. Place backbone nodes with line of sight when possible, and plan 1 to 2 non-overlapping channels so radios do not interfere with each other. You now create the mesh interfaces and enable the protocol of choice, such as BAT-MENADV or 802.11. This forms the dynamic topology. Make sure to assign static IPs or predictable DHCP leases on the mesh subnet so you can reach each node easily. Once the mesh links form, bridge wireless and wired backhaul where needed, and adjust MTU to 1500 or 1400 depending on encapsulation. Also, enable IGMP snooping and avoid double NAT by planning your gateway routing carefully. You finish by validating connectivity and performance. Run ping and iperf between remote nodes and capture a baseline for throughput and latency. Make sure management access is secured. Use SSH keys, change defaults, and enable WPA3 or a strong WPA2 passphrase for client links. If something fails, a reliable troubleshooting step is to check radio channels and interference, reboot nodes one at a time, and inspect mesh logs for link flaps. This often reveals routing loops or MTU mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.